Hey everyone, today I will show you how to make this dual effect in Premiere Pro. The dual tone effect is highly used in music videos and films. In this tutorial, I will show you 4 tricks to how to make dual tone. So let's start. First, I create here two color matte. One is red, another was the cyan color. Thereafter, drop the red color onto the footage and match cyan color. Now select the cyan color, go to the effects control panel and change the blend mode to soft light. Next select the red and change the blending mode to multiply. The footage looked good, but I will change to some extra effect here. So select the main footage, go to Lumetri color panel and the saturated color. Now go to curve adjustment and give matte effect. Now it's more effective and same time much better. The second trick, take an adjustment layer and drop it on top of the clip and add tint effect and change the color red and cyan. You guys choose any matchable color. I here choose only red and cyan. After decrease the amount of the tint and match it, and last add matte effect. Third trick is to select a clip and desaturate first. This only works perfectly on black and white background. And after we'll make here a curve adjustment. Now create two color matte, red and blue, and add them to the top of the clip. Following, now select the first color matte and change the blend mode to lighten. Another color matte is multiple. And after we'll make a little bit of curve matte adjustment effect here. And finally, fourth trick is create two color matte, cyan and red, and bring them into the timeline to add to the top of the footage. Now select the first color and make a mask. The mask should go toward the clip. Thereafter change the feather and expanse. Now I will copy this mask and select two color matte and paste the mask here and invert the mask. Now you get two colors. After now select two color, nest it and give the name any. Now select the nest layer and change blend mode to multiply. And finally I here make some correction. So double click the nest and select first color matte and change mask further as well second also. It need perfect blending of these two colors. Now check the main sequence, it will be at dual tone. If this video is helpful, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button.